Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, or whatever time it is for you. We're supposed to create a video or take a picture of yourself engaging in activity that provides stress relief. Stress relief. I opted to create the video, so here we go. But today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorites. So let's begin with the Glowforge. This is the Glowforge. I'm not going to show you exactly how it works. In another video, you see how it works. So this is a laser machine, and it's a laser cutter, and it's just a blast to design different things and cut them out and put them together. And so on and so forth. So I really can get into this laser stuff. Okay, you're looking at another stress reducer that I have in my wood shop. And this is a Lacuna Revo 18 by 36, 18 in diameter, 36 long. Wood lathe that I use for serious stress relief. I can get into making quite a few things with this lathe and have over the years that I've been doing it. In fact, I'll show you some. Hang on a minute. All right, here's some of the stuff. Well, first of all, the laser. This is my class of 2020 sign that I can do for folks. And here's some of the bowls that I've been working on. I like to do bowls and vases primarily. Some of the other things that I can do with the laser, just to give you an example that I like to do. I like to do photos and little knick-knack things. And I'm just experimenting around with a lot of different stuff right now. This is a photo of my grandson that I lasered onto wood. Okay, this is stress reliever number 3. Right, George?
Yep.
You got it. Well, there you have it. 3 different ways to reduce stress, I guess. That's not all of them that I have, but till then, see ya.